In our previous class, we talked about comparison operators on int and float, while in this class we are going to talk about conditional statement in Python. The if statement is used to control the program follow in a Python program. This make it possible to decide at runtime whether certain program parts shall be executed or not. Conditional statement is handled by if statement like if, else, and elif. Easy. If condition, it is used when we need to print out the result when one of the conditions is true or false. Else conditions is used when you want to print out the statement when your one condition fails to meet the requirement. Elif conditions, it is used when you have such possibility as outcomes. You can use multiple if statement, if conditions. For instance, this is the syntax of if statement. If, then condition, after condition, then were expressions for the if statement, while the second one is for else statement. If condition, then expression, then else, followed by expression. For the elif, if conditions, expression, elif conditions, expression, then else conditions. This how conditional statement is in Python. Let's try if statement practically. Let's say x equals to 5, then y equals to, let's say, 5. Let's use the condition. If s equals to y, then colon print s equals to y. Let's run it and see. You see our result, x equals to y. This is the condition. Let's manipulate it and use else statement. Let's make s y equals to 6. Let's use else statement. Else column, print s is not equals to y. Let's run it and see. You see, because this condition s is not equals to y, x equals to 5 while y equals to 6. See the condition: if x equals to y, print s equals to y. Else, if x is not equals to y, print x is not equals to y. See result here. Let's try elif. For this one I have the code already because it's somehow long. I did it based on how to calculate grade of a student. You see, marks equals to int input, enter your marks if the condition marks is greater than or equals to 70 and marks is less than or equals to 100, then print your grade is A. Elif marks is greater than or equals to 60 and marks is less than or equals to 69, print your grade is B. Elif marks is greater than or equals to 50 and marks is less than or equals to 59, your result equals to 6. That's how we did it. Let's run it and try it and see. You see, it allows me to enter the value or marks of the student. Let me use 70. Sorry, let me use 70 here. Let's run it. Let me run it again. Okay, it seems there's some problem here. Now run it twice. Run it. Enter the marks. Let me check whether I have problem somewhere else. Try it and see. You see, your grade is what? Is A, because according to our conditions here. Let's try and run it again. Let's enter 50. You see, your grade is what? Is C. Done with this condition. Done with the condition. I think that's all for today. Our next class will be nested if conditions. Subscribe to my channel.